I'm Dr. Archana Daftardar, consultant nephrologist at Renova Hospital, Kompally. Today I'm going to discuss about CKD, and it is an educational video in 3 parts. Treatment of CKD. CKD, early diagnosis is must. So depending on the cause of the CKD, the treatment of the CKD may vary in early stages. So we can, by taking these treatment, the progress can be delayed and the mortality and morbidity can be avoided. The other treatments for this CKD are with the taking care of the risk factors like controlling sugar in a better way, controlling blood pressure in a better way. The protein leak can be reduced by using certain drugs like AC inhibitors or ARBs. So these are the multiple types of treatment to delay the progress. Apart from that, treatment of the complications associated with CKD, like treatment of the anemia, like as mentioned before, supplementing the hormone which requires for the hemoglobin production. Iron deficiency needs to be corrected. So these are the iron or hemoglobin related treatments which are given. Other important aspect of the treatment is the dietary management. Not every patient has a same diet. Every patient of the kidney will require same diet, but grossly most of the patients will require low protein diet and low salt diet. These are the two very important cornerstone of the treatment for CKD. The rest of the treatment will vary as per the blood parameters, diagnosis of the cause of CKD and patient's actual condition. As the CKD progresses and reaches to stage 4 and 5, then we will have to counsel the patient regarding the renal replacement therapy. That means when the filtration capacity of the kidney is completely vanishes or decreases completely, then the kidneys are not able to filter the waste material or filter the excess water from the body. At this stage, the patient needs to undergo dialysis. So dialysis is a artificial purification of the blood and taking out the waste material from the body. There are 2 types of dialysis. One is the blood dialysis, which is called as hemodialysis, and the second one is the abdominal dialysis, which is called as the peritoneal dialysis. A patient can opt for the modality of dialysis as per the clinical scenario and the consultant advice. So the other modality of renal replacement therapy is renal transplantation. That means putting a new kidney to the patient. The new kidney is donated either from the cadaver or from the living donor. Cadaver transplant is the transplant which is made when there are road traffic accidents or some brain dead patients. They want to donate the kidneys. They had the wish of donating the kidneys. So those kidneys are given one each for the patient. So this is the cadaver transplant, while the live related transplant is live related or unrelated. Live related is the one which happens in the family, which has a better compatibility. One kidney is donated from the donor and it is put in the patient or in the recipient. So this is what is the overall treatment about the CKD. So the takeaway message is, anyone is having diabetes or hypertension, always look for the kidney involvement. Ask your doctor about it. The second thing is, if you are not a CKD patient, then always maintain a healthy lifestyle, eat healthy, be active, quit smoking, maintain your normal weight or ideal weight, and avoid obesity. If you have a family history of kidney disease, get yourself checked for it. And if you have a family history of diabetes and hypertension, also get yourself checked for these diseases, occurrence of these diseases periodically. Thank you.